Okay, adding users. We go into the back end here. Type in our admin username and password. And on the dashboard here, there's a user manager. We click on the user manager and we'll see administrator. We'll see the username. We'll see that I'm logged in as administrator and administrator's enabled, and the email address. Now if we click on that user, we can change the name from administrator to Scott Nailon in my case. We can change the email address to whatever we want. We can set the time zone. I'm in Australia, not Guam. And then we can just hit save. Oop. There you go. Change the password and just hit save. Now in order to add a new user, we just go over to new and click here. Now let's just say I want to add BJ. BJ the Crazy Surfer from Maroubra Beach in Sydney, New South Wales. Type in his name, his username, his email address, a new password, now this is where we can choose his group. A registered user can only use the front end. They cannot go in the back end where we're at now. Okay, there's certain levels of front end user. Normally we just use registered. Author obviously allows people to add content to the site. Editor allows them to add and edit, and publisher allows them to actually hit the publish button. If you're an author or an editor, you are not able to publish an article or a page on the site. But really, for the application we're using it at the moment, we're just using registered or super administrator. In this case, super administrator. The rest of that is for the previous functions of Joomla, which is like for a news site or a magazine site, all that kind of thing. We can choose whether BJ wants to receive system emails or not, which means if anything happens on the site and there's an email sent, he'll get a copy of it. We can choose the front end and back end language, which editor we want him to use, the help site, and where he lives, the time zone. Once we're done, we just click save, and there it is, BJ Koppel.